my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. So, dear students, today let we start GK Unit 7 Science and Technology, chapter number 51 Simple Science. So, dear students, now when you breathe, it's science. When you skate on a smooth floor, it's science. When a spoon in a glass of water appears bent, it's science too. So, science is all around us as you can see below. Simply write the name of the process definition. Number one, when water vapor cools and condenses, it falls to earth due to gravity. It could fall as rain, hail, or snow. So this called as precipitation. Number two, this is how green plants convert light energy from the sun to chemical energy using carbon dioxide to make food. Uh, this called as photosynthesis. Number three, this happens when the body absorbs oxygen and transports it to the organs while removing carbon dioxide from the blood. So, respiration is called a respiration. Number four, just like milk becomes yogurt, the carbohydrates in the food you eat are converted into acids and gases by microorganisms in the process. So, what they call fermentation. Number five, a substance reacts rapidly with oxygen to give off heat. This happens all around us in cars, in homes, even inside our bodies. So it's called combustion. 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 Number six, this force slows down or stops movement between two surfaces without it. So we would not be able to walk. Friction. It's called as friction. Number seven, water and air slowly erode bits of soil and rock from the earth's surface. It can damage the environment, but it also shapes rocks and mountains. So these are the erosion. Number eight, when light enters a dense medium like water from a rare medium like air, it bends. That's why we can never see the real depth of a swimming pool. So be careful. Okay. So this called our refraction. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 52. Human science. Write the correct answer. Question number 1. What is the largest part of the brain called? Option C, cerebrum. Number 2, which part of the eye changes its size depending on the amount of light absorbed? Option C, pupil. Question number 3, what is the hardest substance in our body? Option C, enamel. Question number 4, which of these is not a vital organ of our body? Option A, stomach. Number 5, which organ produces bile? Option B, liver. Number 6, which organ filters blood and makes urine? Option A, kidneys. Number 7, the femur is the longest bone in our body. Which femur? Option A. Number 8, which of these is not a part of the nervous system? Option B, tendon. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 53. Great inventors. So students, read about the brilliant minds whose inventions and discoveries changed the world. Their ideas continue to shape the way we live today. 1. Who is he? Alfred Nobel invented dynamite. Okay. He obtained a large fortune from the development of dynamite and the other explosive. He made a lot of money from oil fields. He left his wealth to establish the Nobel Prizes. Next one, Isaac Newton. One of the greatest scientists who ever lived, is best known for his ideas on gravity. Once, while sitting under a tree, an apple fell on him. So he thought that some force must have pulled the apple towards the ground. So he called this the force of gravity. Next one, John Logie Baird was the inventor of mechanical television, making his first public demonstration on 25 March 1925. However, Paul Nipkow of Germany developed a rotating disc technology to transmit pictures over wire in 1884. The next one, to combat humidity inside a printing press, Willis Carrier built the first air conditioner in 1902. Next, Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen was a German scientist who made one of the most useful discoveries of the 20th century, the X-ray. Next one, the oldest non-electric vacuum cleaner in the world, called the Whirlwind, was invented in 1869 by Lebs W. McGaffey, but the first electric vacuum cleaner that used both a cloth filter bag and cleaning attachments was built by the Hoover Company of New Berlin, Ohio in 1908. This was invented by James M. Spangle. And the last one, Albert Einstein, was one of the greatest scientists of all time. Computers and space travel without his theories may never have been developed. He was honored with the Nobel Prize in the year 1922. So these are the inventors. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 54. 54 is the computer. So students, Fill in the blanks using words from the clue box. Let we start. Number 1. Sanjay wants to cut out a portion of a picture. He will have to dash the picture. So, crop. First, then crop the picture. Number 2. Neha has chosen a slide for a PowerPoint presentation. This means she has chosen a template. Number 3. Seema wants to turn or rotate an image. She can do so using the flip or rotate option. Flip भी हो सकता है, rotate भी हो सकता है. Next one. Number 4. Farah has typed a paragraph. So some words in it are marked with red wavy underlines. So this means she has made spelling errors. Number 5. Manoj wants to select a particular word. He will have to double click on that word. Number 6. Suzanne wants to uh, dash some text. She can do so by pressing Ctrl plus V on the keyboard. So Suzanne wants to paste some text. She can do so by pressing Ctrl plus V on the keyboard. Number 7. Simi has used uppercase letters while typing. So this means she had used capital letters. Now question number B. Write the names of these icons. Choose from the clue box. Okay. First one is text wrap. Next, number 2, table. Number 3, shapes. And the last one is clip art. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 55. Some common diseases. Some common human diseases are given below. Match them with the name of the organ they affect. Okay, so let me start. First one, stomach, cholera. Number 2, pancreas. Option E, diabetes. 3. Option B, appendicitis. Number 4, gums. Pyorrhea. Number 5, throat. Option C, tonsillitis. Okay. Next, number 6, lungs. With disease is pneumonia. Option M. Number 7, liver. A. Jaundice. Number 8. Respiratory tract. Option D. Asthma. 9. Eyes. Option P. Cataracts. 10. Skin. Eczema. 11. Head. Option K. Migraine. 12. Intestine. Option H. Typhoid. 13. Feet. L. Filariasis. Option N. Next is 14. Salivary glands. Option N. Bumps. 40. Next 15. Nervous system. Polio. And the last one, joints. Arthritis. Okay, so these are the organs and these are the diseases. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 56. Robots, advanced machines. So students, robots are amazing machines that can work on their own. They can go into many places from space to deep underwater. So read the statements given below and try to find out the robots we are talking about. Okay, let me start. Number 1. It was the very first robot to travel across to a part of another planet. In 1997, this 6-wheel robot explored the surface of Mars. So this is Sojourner Rover. Number 2. It can enter unknown areas to check for danger. In 2001, it searched the wreckage of the World Trade Center in New York for survivors. Packbot. This robo name is Packbot. Number 3. This robot can hover outside the windows of tall buildings. It can be used as a spy robot because it has microphones and cameras. Cypher. Number 4. Next. It is an 8-legged robot. It can climb into the crater of a red-hot volcano to collect gas sample. Dente. Next, number 5. This robot was developed by Honda. It can climb stairs with ease. Its full name is Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. ASIMO. Advanced. C. A. Advanced. S. Step. I. Innovative. M. Mobility. Number 6. It is a huge car crushing monster. It uses hydraulic power to lift and destroy cars and trucks. So this is Robosaurus. Robosaurus. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 57. Internet. So students, write the full form of the following terms. Okay. First one is WWW, means World Wide Web. Number 2, URL. Uniform Resources Location. Number 3, WAN, means Wide Area Network. Number 4, LAN, Local Area Network. Number 5, IP, means Internet Protocol. Next, number 6, bit, means binary digit. Binary digit. Number 7, DTP, means desktop publishing. Number 8, Y2K, यानी कि year 2000. Number 9, KBPS, means kilobits per second. Kilobits per second. Next, number 10, PDA, Personal Digital Assistant. Personal Digital Assistant. Number 11, delete. 12, WYSIWYG, means what you see, okay, is what you get. Okay. Now, question number B. See the pictures and write their names. 1, WhatsApp. 2, Facebook. 3, Chrome, Google Chrome. 4, Gmail. 5. Messenger. 6. YouTube. 7. Twitter. 'And the last one, Google Map. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 58. So these are the automobile logo. So dear students, here are some world famous automobile brand logos. Write the names of the manufacturers to the logos. Number 1, this is Mazda. Number 2 is Mercedes-Benz. Next, number 3, Citroën. Number 4, Buick. Now, next, number 5, Maserati. Next, number 6, Hyundai. Next, number 7 is Ferrari. Number 8 is Honda. Next, number 9, Rolls-Royce. Next, number 10, Maruti. Number 11 is Peugeot. Number 12, Tata. And the last one, number 13 is Mitsubishi. Okay. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.